India will continue to experience strong and broadly stable economic growth, the OECD has said, while pointing out that global economic growth is slowing more than expected as the tariff war takes a bigger toll on the US economy. Now, the Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development Projects says that India is to remain one of the world's largest growing economies in FY26, with its GDP growth forecast at 6.3%. Listen in to the finer details.
A very good morning. I'm Parati Bhanot and I'm currently standing at the headquarters of the OECD in Paris. The OECD is essentially the Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development, and as of Tuesday they've released their Economic Outlook Report. Now, there are two interesting takeaways from this Economic Outlook Report. One pertaining to the global growth projections, and the second pertaining to India's growth projections. If we talk about the global growth projections in terms of real GDP terms, the Economic Outlook Report for the OECD 25-26 says that the world economy is expected to witness a fall in growth. There's expected to be a slowdown from 3.3% in 2024 to about 2.9% in 2025 and 2026. This is the global forecast, expected to be slower, expected to not be as good as it was in 2024. The second big takeaway that is there from this report is with regards to India. As far as G20 countries are concerned, the report says that India is expected to record the highest real GDP growth, not just for the year that has gone by, 2024, but also for the years ahead, which is 2025 and 2026. In 2025, India is expected to witness a growth of 6.3% as far as the real GDP numbers are concerned, and in 2026, India is expected to witness a growth of 6.4%. So for 3 consecutive years, the OECD predicts that amongst G20 countries, India is going to be one of the top performers, and these are the main takeaways from the OECD Outlook Report.